Nascar. What's up, Z-Cam Breaks? What's up, Venyas? Where's the trophy presentation? You guys like these Chase Elliott's? We pulled these earlier. How fire. What's up, Sport Card Invest? You guys like these? What's up, Fire Cards? I'm trying to find the trophy presentation right now on my TV and switched channels. What's up, Weevo? You guys like these Chase Elliott's? Hey, Sport Card Invest. I'm going to get back to you. I just wanted to go live and get show these before the trophy presentation. How sweet are these guys? Yo, what channel is the trophy on? I want to watch this live. The glass trophy is sweet, huh? NASCAR. What pack you guys want to open first? Gotcha. Cannot seem to find it. Alright, whatever. You guys want to open a pack real quick before the presentation? Let me know if, bottom right, let me know if you guys find it live and it's not